Cryptocurrency is a new kind of digital money. It is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any government or bank. Imagine a currency that exists purely online, secured by cryptography instead of central authorities. This is the essence of cryptocurrency. A key feature of cryptocurrency is its reliance on blockchain technology. This technology acts as a public ledger, recording all transactions across a network of computers. This decentralized approach ensures transparency and makes it nearly impossible to manipulate the system. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography for security. Cryptography involves complex mathematical algorithms that secure transactions and control the creation of new units. This ensures the integrity and immutability of the blockchain, fostering trust among users. In essence, cryptocurrencies offer a new and innovative approach to finance, leveraging technology to empower individuals and facilitate transactions in a secure and transparent manner. The blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrency. Imagine a digital ledger that records every transaction. This ledger is not stored in one place, but is distributed across a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains a record of several transactions. Cryptography secures these transactions. It's like a secret code that protects your money. When you make a transaction, it is encrypted, making it very difficult to hack. This ensures the security and integrity of the cryptocurrency system. This combination of blockchain and cryptography ensures that cryptocurrency transactions are secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. This makes it a reliable and trustworthy form of digital currency. Cryptocurrency has many potential uses. The most obvious is as a form of payment. You can use it to buy goods and services online and in some physical stores. It can also be used for investment, much like stocks or gold. People invest in cryptocurrencies hoping their value will increase over time. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is another exciting application. It allows for financial services like lending and borrowing without the need for traditional intermediaries. Beyond these, cryptocurrencies power smart contracts, digital agreements that automatically execute when conditions are met. They also facilitate the creation and trade of NFTs, unique digital assets representing ownership of virtual or physical items. Furthermore, cryptocurrencies enable fast and low-cost international remittances, particularly beneficial for migrant workers sending money home. Finally, they are integral to the development of decentralized applications, or dApps, which operate on blockchain networks, offering greater transparency and security than traditional apps. Traditional money is centralized, controlled by governments and financial institutions. Cryptocurrency, however, is decentralized. This means no single entity controls it, giving users more control over their funds. The supply of traditional money is controlled by central banks. In contrast, the supply of most cryptocurrencies is limited by their underlying algorithms. This predictable and often finite supply can impact their value proposition compared to fiat currencies. Traditional transactions often involve intermediaries, leading to fees and delays. Cryptocurrency transactions are often faster and cheaper as they are processed on the blockchain network. However, it's important to note that transaction speeds can vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency and network congestion. Understanding these fundamental distinctions between cryptocurrency and traditional money is crucial for navigating the evolving landscape of finance.